This is Bill. Every morning Bill leaves to go to work. But this morning when he tried to open his garage, the garage door wouldn't come up. Bill searched online and found Anthony Garage Door and Gate Repair CA. They have over 100 positive reviews and provide same-day service. So, Bill doesn't have to worry about because he has just found the right solution. Anthony Garage Door Repair CA provides professional garage door repair and installation services on all doormats. So, Bill gave Anthony Garage Door Repair a call, and set up an appointment to have his garage door repaired. The technician arrived in no time and repaired Bill's garage door. Bill was so pleased with the service. He recommended Anthony Garage Door Repair to his friends and family. If you need garage door repair and installation service, give us a call at any moment of the day.